The real estate market has long been a cornerstone of economic growth and personal wealth building, but in 2025, it faces significant crossroads. With housing affordability stretched thin and a rapidly changing economic and environmental landscape, what's next for homebuyers, renters, and investors? Let's dive into 5 expert-backed predictions for 2025 that you need to know. First, hi, I'm Nai Tao, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Realty in Georgia. License number 442664. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 real estate market predictions for 2025, what experts expect for housing prices, rents, and more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, The Real Estate Compass, for more updates and insights. If you have any questions about buying, selling, or investing in real estate in Georgia, feel free to reach out. Let's dive into the video. 1. Home price growth returns to normalcy. The pandemic-era real estate boom saw skyrocketing home prices, leaving many wondering if a crash was inevitable. However, according to Redfin's chief economist, Daryl Fairweather, the market has shown remarkable resilience. By 2025, home price growth is expected to return to a more typical 4% annual increase, closely mirroring pre-pandemic levels. This normalization comes after years of volatility. In 2024, the rapid rise in home prices slowed, offering a glimpse of stabilization. However, uncertainty lingers, with factors such as political policies potentially driving up construction costs and slowing housing supply. Economists also point out regional differences. Areas with strong demand and limited inventory may continue to see higher-than-average price growth. For instance, coastal cities like San Francisco or Miami could see modest gains, while more affordable, emerging markets in the Midwest might become hotspots for first-time buyers. 2. Flat rents provide relief to tenants. While homebuyers may struggle with affordability, renters could find a bit of relief in 2025. Nationally, rents are expected to remain relatively flat, thanks to a wave of new apartment complexes and multifamily housing units coming online. This stability offers renters some breathing room after years of escalating costs. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, over 21 million renter households spend more than 30% of their income on housing, classifying them as cost-burdened. If rents hold steady while wages continue to grow, it could improve financial flexibility for millions. Moreover, renters in highly competitive markets like Austin, Texas, and Phoenix, Arizona, are already benefiting from additional supply. Developers in these cities have ramped up construction, which has eased demand pressure. On the flip side, renters in supply-constrained urban centers like New York City and Washington, D.C., may still face annual rent increases of 5% or more. If you're in the rental market in 2025, take advantage of negotiating opportunities. Landlords in some regions are offering concessions, such as discounted rent or waived fees, to fill vacancies during slower months. 3. Mortgage rates to remain volatile. For prospective homebuyers, mortgage rates are often the ultimate deal-maker or deal-breaker. Experts predict that mortgage rates will average around 6.8% in 2025. While this figure is lower than recent peaks, expect rates to fluctuate significantly throughout the year. Economic uncertainty, inflation trends, and government policies could all affect borrowing costs. For instance, new tariffs or tax policies might increase inflationary pressure, forcing the Federal Reserve to maintain higher interest rates. On the flip side, if economic growth slows, the Fed may cut rates, potentially bringing relief to borrowers. Jessica Lautz, a vice president at the National Association of Realtors, notes that while rates are unlikely to return to the historically low levels seen during the pandemic, they will be manageable for buyers who are financially prepared. 4. Increased home sales as demand rebounds. After a subdued housing market in 2024, home sales are projected to climb by 2% to 9% in 2025. This uptick stems from pent-up demand among buyers and sellers who have been sitting on the sidelines due to high mortgage rates and affordability challenges. Experts describe this wave of activity as life-driven housing decisions. These include buyers relocating for new jobs, families seeking more space, and retirees downsizing. With fewer bidding wars and slightly more inventory available, buyers may find the process less competitive than in recent years. However, affordability challenges persist. Rising property taxes and higher insurance premiums in climate-risk areas could deter some buyers. This means the market may shift toward regions with lower costs of living and stronger job growth, such as cities in the Southeast or Midwest. 5. Climate risks reshape housing markets. Perhaps the most transformative factor shaping the real estate market in 2025 is climate change. Coastal states like Florida, California, and parts of Texas remain vulnerable to hurricanes, wildfires, and flooding, which can significantly impact home values and insurance costs. In Florida, for example, insurance premiums have skyrocketed as companies pull back from high-risk areas. Similarly, wildfire-prone regions in California are seeing higher rebuilding costs and stricter building codes, which further strain affordability. But it's not just coastal or wildfire-prone areas at risk. Changing weather patterns mean that even regions previously considered safe, such as parts of the Midwest, are experiencing more frequent extreme weather events. For instance, North Carolina, traditionally shielded from hurricanes, faced severe flooding in recent years. If you're considering buying a home in 2025, weigh climate risks carefully. Evaluate not just the purchase price, but also the long-term costs of insurance, maintenance, and potential disaster recovery. What does this mean for you in 2025? Whether you're a homebuyer, renter, or investor, 2025 presents a mix of challenges and opportunities. Here's how you can prepare. For buyers, stay informed about mortgage rate trends and shop around for the best rates. Consider looking in up-and-coming areas where prices are more affordable. For renters, leverage flat rents to negotiate better deals, especially in markets with high vacancy rates. For investors, watch for opportunities in regions with job growth and affordable housing. Be cautious about investing in areas with high climate risks. Conclusion: the real estate market in 2025 will be defined by resilience and adaptation. As affordability challenges persist and climate risks grow, understanding these trends will be key to navigating the housing market successfully. Whether you're buying your first home, expanding your investment portfolio, or simply finding a place to rent, staying informed will help you make confident decisions. Again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Real Estate Compass for more insights. Got questions about 5 real estate market predictions for 2025? What experts expect for housing prices, rents, and more? Feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help.